Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys screen lock sound setting and how to use it. Friends, you want to use your Poco phone screen lock sound and screen unlock sound. So how to on and use today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. Friends, click on guys your Poco phone sound and vibration setting guys. Sound and vibration guys, we will on it. After on your phone sound and vibration friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. So friends, click on your Poco phone additional setting guys. After on guys additional setting friends, you can see dial pad tone, tap sound setting. Friends, you can see play sound when locking device. So friends, first we will on it. After on guys come back. Friends, when you will lock your phone, friends, you can use your lock sound and guys you can use your unlock sound. So when we will unlock our phone, unlock sound screen. So friends, we call it screen lock and unlock sound. So I hope friends you understood how to use screen lock sound, and friends you want to use your unlock sound so you can use. So guys, we call it guys screen lock and unlock sound setting, and friends you want to use so you can use. Friends, you don't want to use, so friends click here guys, search screen locking sound setting. Friends, search here. As you can see, screen lock setting friends, all screen setting is here. So guys, we will search here guys full here guys screen lock sound setting. So guys, we will not share screen lock sound guys, direct when we search here when device is locked. Friends, you can see when device is locked, play sound. So friends, you can see play sound when device lock. Friends, tap here, direct friends we can off from here. And friends, you can lock your phone but there is no any sound, and friends you can unlock your phone without any sound. So guys, screen lock and unlock sound will we can use on our Poco phone device. So bye guys.